Okay, so in this case, we want to get r equals, okay, so we've got this formula here. So the first thing I do here is take the 3 over the other side. That would tidy it up a lot. Of course, when you take the 3 over, you're going to multiply, aren't you? Because you're dividing by 3. Take it over, do the opposite, and multiply. Always do the opposite when you take it over the other side. So we're dividing by 3, hence then why we've got 3a, 3 times a. We're left on this side then, of course, with 4 pi r squared. Now we just appreciate here that we're timesing all of these, yes? 4 times pi times r squared. We could sort of think about that as one term then, 4 pi times r squared. Because you're timesing, take it over and divide, yeah? Do the opposite and divide. So take the whole thing over in one go and divide, and we're left then on the right hand side with r squared. Okay, now to get our sort of final answer then, all right, to get r, all right, the next thing we do then, of course, is take the square over and we'd square root, okay? Now when we square root, then we make sure we square root the whole thing, okay? So you have a big square root to square root the whole side. The other thing we must do as well, right, when we square root is put a plus or minus in front, okay? Because essentially it could be a minus. We could have a minus, because remember, when you square a minus, it becomes a positive. So there's actually 2 possible answers there. So that's one thing to sort of to look out for. Because as I said, squaring the positive of this would give you 3a over 4 pi. But if you actually square the negative of it, well, 2 minuses make a plus. You get the same answer.